Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. My dear brothers and sisters, more is not always better. But most of the times, we think more is always better. And sadly, we fall into the illusion of believing it is so. Tingnan na lang natin yung mga pinahahalagaan natin. Para sa atin, more is appealing, more is power, more is convincing. Kaya po mas gugustuhin natin ang mas marami, gugustuhin natin yung sobra-sobra kaysa sa yung kokonti, kakarampot, lalong higit sa lahat, yung kulang. Kaya nga po, ito yung attitude din na minsan dala-dala natin sa pagharap natin sa Diyos. We want more from God. And so Jesus, in our gospel reading today, warns His listeners to avoid imitating the attitude of the hypocrites or the practice of the scribes and Pharisees, especially in praying. And so he says, when you pray, do not use a lot of words as pagans do, for they believe that the more they say, the more chance they have of being heard. Hindi naman mahalaga sa Diyos kung gaano kadami o kahaba yung panalangin natin. Sapagkat sabi ni Jesus, your Father knows what you need even you ask Him. And so why the need to pray? If God knows what we need, what we will pray, what we will ask. Jesus now teaches this very beautiful prayer we now call the Lord's Prayer or the Our Father prayer. Here Jesus teaches us to pray to the Father. He teaches us to call God our Father. And why the need to pray if God knows what we need? This prayer reminds us that praying is our oxygen. Kaya nga si Padre Pio, Saint Padre Pio, he describes prayer as the oxygen of the soul. It is our way of communicating to God. Our soul needs God. Our soul needs to communicate with God. Pangalawa po, pinapaalala sa atin ng prayer ng ating Panginoon na we are always in need. And so, in praying, we acknowledge that we are in need, that we are not perfect, that we cannot do everything. We are in need of God and we are not gods. Pangatlo, in praying, we are reminded of our total dependence on God. Na sa ating panalangin, we acknowledge that we are nothing without God. Sa ating mga panalangin, we acknowledge that we are dependent on God, that everything is actually grace from God. Everything comes from God and everything belongs to God. Yan ang tinuturo ng panalangin sa atin. And so when we pray, it's not about how many words we say, how much we give to God. In fact, we cannot give anything to God. But it is a matter of the heart. How we put our heart in praying, in communicating to our God. It's not about more, but it is about how true we are in approaching God. in our prayers. Maging totoo lang tayo, yan ang totoong panalangin. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitaw Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.